Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So next we're going to learn more. We're going to have a little briefing about the Zakat and Tax Advisory. So welcome to the topic of Zakat and Tax Advisory. So Zakat is an obligatory form of almsgiving in Islam, requiring financial capable Muslim to donate a portion, usually 2.5% of their wealth, including saving, investment, gold, annually to benefit the less fortunate, such as the poor, needy, and those facing financial hardship. Beyond wealth distribution, Zakat holds spiritual significance, helping individuals purify their wealth, uphold social justice, and fulfill their morals and religious obligation within the Muslim community. So the next one is the tax advisory. So what it is? Tax advisory refers to a specialist financial service provided by the expert who offer guidance, strategy, and expertise to individuals, business, or organization seeking to optimize their tax-related decisions. These advisors help clients navigate complex tax law, minimize tax liabilities, and ensure compliance with tax regulation. Tax advisors often provide comprehensive analysis, tax planning, and tailored solutions to help clients make informed financial decisions that are tax efficient and aligned with their financial goals while ensuring they meet their legal obligation. So we have two types of zakat. So the first one is the zakat fitrah. Zakat fitrah is a flat, free or levied impost on each person, which is the due for paying this zakat is from starting Ramadan until the end, which is before Adil Adha prayer. So the next one of type of zakat is zakat from earning. So we have two. The traditional type of wealth subject to tax, which is the agricultural products, real animals, business, gold, and silver. So the new type of wealth, which is a various form of wealth based on the consensus of Islamic scholars and jurists. For example, the employment income and also the professional income. So we have three types of tax, which is the first one is the income tax. Income tax is a percentage of generated income that is relinquished to the state of federal government. So the next one is the corporate tax, a percentage of corporate profits taken as tax by the government to fund federal programs. The third one is the property tax. It is based on the value of land and property asset. So these 8 recipient zakat. So we have fakir, miskin, fisabilillah, gharimin, riqab, mu'allaf, amil, ibn sabil. So 8 of recipient will get the zakat. So the tax recipient, whoever receive funds or benefit from the government through taxation, is considered a tax beneficiary. Depending on the tax system and government policy in place, this beneficiary can range from federal agency to social welfare programs to public school, which is to infrastructure development project, to healthcare, to pension, to subsidized industry, to individual taxpayer, to local government, to tax-exempt non-profit. So budgetary and legislative decisions made by governments often dictate how tax dollars are doled out to this organization, with the allocation reflecting societal goals and public needs. So we are going to proceed with on how we are going to calculate zakat. So each year, Muslim must calculate and pay the obligatory charity known as zakat, which is 2.5% or 1/40 of their wealth and saving in excess of a set minimum known as nisab. When is zakat due? Every Muslim who has the nisab amount of money at the end of haul is required to pay zakat. So we are going to know about this step, which is calculate your zakat eligibility. And when you have the eligible to pay the zakat, you need to calculate your zakat amount and then identify zakat, which is the eligible asset, the used asset, or your saving account, your car, your house. It's depending. We need to identify it. And next, we need to deduct the outstanding debt. So the amount from it, we are going to multiply with the 2.5%, and the amount that have been multiplied is the amount that we need to pay the zakat. So in this table, we can see that the tax calculation. So when, for example, the first one, the chargeable income. The chargeable income for an individual is 5,000 to 20,000. So the percentage of paying taxes is 1%. So let's proceed with the So next we proceed with another example, which is for example, an individual have 4,000 to 600,000 of income. So for the first 400,000, the tax amount is 46,700, and the another excess of 250, another 24.5% will be deduct from the income. So the total of the amount will be paying as a tax. So next is we're going to a little bit difference between zakat and income tax. So the first one is between religious versus governmental. So zakat is a religious obligation in Islam. Income tax is a government imposed financial obligation. So next is the purpose of zakat and the purpose of income tax. So the purpose of zakat is the primary purpose of zakat is to provide financial support to the needy and those less fortunate in society. For income tax, the primary purpose of income tax is to generate revenue for the government. The use of fund, which is the first one, is the zakat. Zakat funds are specifically allocated to assist the poor, needy, and other categories defined in Islamic law, such as debtors and travelers in need. For income tax, is used by the government to finance a wide range of public service and programs, including education, healthcare, defense, infrastructure development, and social welfare. So the benefit of zakat. Zakat, which is the obligatory almsgiving in Islam, bring multiple benefits, including the elevation of poverty, reduction of wealth inequality, and the promotion of social justice. It strengthens individuals spiritually through act of worship and purifies their wealth, fostering a sense of community, solidarity, and shared responsibility. And that's all from me. Thank you.